Hi all, welcome back to GTL Labs YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how the IFS Shop Floor Workbench can transform your manufacturing operations. The use of Shop Floor Workbench has a number of benefits for your business, such as real-time shop floor progress tracking. One of the biggest headaches in the production is knowing who is working on what and how far along they are. With IFS Shop Floor Workbench, you get real-time tracking of job progress. Operators can start, pause, and complete tasks with just a few clicks. No paperwork, no delays, it facilitates instant updates. Benefit number 2 is save your IFS license cost if you have large size of shop floor employees. If your organization is having a large number of shop floor employees, buying individual IFS license for each one can get very expensive. But here's the good news. IFS Shop Floor Workbench allows shared terminals, meaning multiple employees can use it without needing separate license. Further, you will be able to get the limited task user LTU license benefits as well. Benefit number 3. Seamless integration with IFS time and attendance. Tired of tracking time manually? IFS Shop Floor Workbench syncs directly with IFS time and attendance, so employees can log their working hours, breaks, and job activities all in one place. Now let's get into the application. As you can see it in the application, I have 2 shop orders created. Each shop order has 2 material lines and 2 operations. The operations consist of machine operations and labor operations with setup times and run factors. In today's demonstration, we will try to demonstrate Shop Floor Workbench basic functionalities and try to perform the shop order related operational activities. The end objective is to close the shop order and receive the manufactured parts using the Shop Floor Workbench. You have a couple of options in order to log in into the Shop Floor Workbench. You can log in as anonymous option or as an employee. It depends on the setting you are setting up at site level. Since I have registered myself as a shop floor employee, I will use my employee ID to log into Shop Floor Workbench. Every transaction I performed using the Shop Floor Workbench comes with my employee ID mentioning who have performed that job. This is my employee ID and I can select predefined filters. So as an example, I'm having ongoing shop orders filter in here. You will see the 2 shop order IDs and their respective first operations in here. If not, I can select any other option from the list of values. Let's say I have selected shop order from the list of values. If I selected my shop order ID, you will see the respective 2 operations belong to this shop order have been listed down in the dispatch list section. So what I will try to do is, I will try to do the material issues and try to perform the operations using the Shop Floor Workbench. I will select both the lines in here and I will do the reservations in here using the Shop Floor Workbench. And I will issue the materials to the shop order. You will see in the status field where it indicates respective shop order material has been issued to the shop order. Once this action has been performed, you will see the respective shop order will be in the started state and material will be issued to the shop order. One of the main benefits of this is shop floor employee does not need to navigate different windows, they can perform all the activities in one single window. Now what I will do is, still I haven't done any clock-in or report operation for this. So I will start the start steps in here. I will start the machine setups. Now the setup is ongoing. Based on your day-to-day operations reporting requirements, you can leave the setup or stop setup. If there is any downtimes, you can report downtimes as well. So once the setup has been completed, I can stop setup. You will see the respective times has been clocked for the operation. Now the setup has been completed. Now I will start production. In here, I will be starting production and you can add clocking notes if needed. Next, I will click OK. So now you will see the production has been started. Once the operation has been completed, you can select Approve option. If you want to stop production or if you are going for a tea break or anything like that, you can select the Stop Production option based on your shop floor circumstances. It will be either in the partially reported or interrupted state based on your selection. For today's demonstration purpose, I will select partially reported. You will see still executable quantity is 20 in here. You will see the operation status is partially reported. Now what I will do is I will start production again. You will see the operation status is in process. And I can approve it. I'm reporting the quantity of 20 in here. Once it has been done, you will see the first operation has been completed and the executable quantity 20 is shown in next operation. As you can see, the executable quantity is 0 in the first operation. Now I will progress with the second operation and do the start setup again. Once start setup has been completed, I can stop the setup. All the clock-in will get reported. Then I can perform the start production. And once the production has been completed, I can approve it. Then I am receiving produce items to the one of my picking location. I will click finish. If I go back to the respective shop order, you will see shop order is in the closed state. Thanks for watching. If you find this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to GTL Labs for more content like this. Do you have any thoughts or questions? Please share them in the comment section. We would like to hear from you.